Okay, in this video, we quickly find out how much is 4 times 4. We have actually done a video that's pretty long that explains it in great detail. Now, he quickly recount how we do it. 4 times 4 is also called square of 4 because we represent this number 4 times 4 as 4 rows, each of 4 little squares, are equivalently 4 columns, each of 4 little squares, which we have shown here. So their outline is exactly a square, and we call it a square of 4, and a square of 4 has 4 times 4. Now, we know how to count by 5s, so 5 times table is easy. So what do? This is 4 rows and this is 4 columns. Now, somehow I have to add a row to these 4 rows, so we have to get rid of one column. So let me remove this. This fifth column I get rid of. First square, second square gone, third square gone, and the fourth square is also gone. Okay, now we have to add them here. Remember, we can't check them out. So we have to add them. So let me show adding in a different color. Okay, now we are adding another row. So, okay, let me choose this color to add to the rows. So we have to add one more row. So we'll extend it here. Okay, and draw a line like this. Okay, and now this is the first square, this is the second square, this is the third square. Wait, we need to have 4 squares, so we have to draw a fourth square also. Now you see that this fourth little square is an outsider, outside of this big rectangle, which has this outline, okay, and this has originally 4 rows. Now we have a fifth row here. Originally this fifth row has come by getting rid of all the 4 squares, from the fourth column. So the 4 little squares in the fourth column are removed and they are added in the fifth row. So we reduced one column and one column is increased. So this has become 5 rows. So the number of columns would become how many? Only 3 columns. See, the row has increased by 1 and it has become 5. So the column reduces by 1 and you have only 3 columns. And we see that there is one little square extra. So we have to add it. So let me get rid of this negative sign. And how much do we have to add? We have to add just one little square, or simply square of 1, or I might as well write 1 times 1. Now, we see that 5 times 3 is same as 3 times 5. We know that, from here. 5 times 3 is always equal to 3 times 5. Okay, we have seen how. This is the first 3, second 3, third 3, fourth 3, fifth 3. So 5 times 3, looking at the rows. But if you look at the columns, first 5, second 5, third 5. So 3 times 5. They are just the same. So this is 5 times 3 or 3 times 5. We know is 110 plus 5. Okay, plus there's just one extra. So this is 110 plus 5 and 1 is 6. And we can get rid of this t plus, okay, and write it like this, but still read it as 110 and 6, that is 16. 4 times 4 in terms of 5 times table is 5 times 3 plus 1, that is 16. Thank you.